gears, everything's fine. Is this the lowest for the driver's seat? I'll put it down a bit.
Yeah,
okay, I tried the GK Jazz, GK6 shifter, right? Nowhere near as good as yours.
Is it?
Yeah. The C32 one is quite close to yours. Oh, I can't go here.
Yeah, you have to go by
Sorry, not intending to break traffic rules.
GK is 3rd gen.
Yeah, 3rd gen Jazz.
The ones you see at the driving schools.
Yeah, the problem is that there are a few cars, right, they bought from BBDC in auction.
Yeah, I saw one actually come up.
Yeah.
Super high mileage confirmed from driving school.
Yeah, it's confirmed, but the worst thing is cannot renew COE. So
Tuition car cannot.
Cannot, it's so sad.
But one thing I don't understand is how come some driving school cars end up on the used car market.
They don't hold to 10. Oh, I'm sorry. I still used to like driving the cruise and it's on the left. Oh my god, yeah, your shifter feels so good. My gosh. Yeah, John knows also. Like, he's driven this car, like this model. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine, don't worry.
He's driven this car before, but I think really because he lives 3 bus stops from his workplace now, so I think he'd rather leave the funds for like a longer car with longer COE.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Oh my gosh! Wow. This would be a joy to drive daily.
Not when you're stuck in traffic.
It's okay. I've managed to master it before, like stuck in city traffic jam, right? Going from 1 2 1 2 1 2 all the time, right? Managed to text while doing that.
What?
While simultaneously like juggling the 1 and 2 gears.
Still maintain it sucks.
Or the worst is customs jam. Like JB or something. Going to JB or
Especially
Woodlands.
because this car is quite short gear, so you always have to go between 1 and 2.
Oh yeah, whereas
crawling speed.
yes, versus like if it's
It's fine.
let's say like if it's a Corolla or Sunny, right, the gearing is actually very very long in first, so there's like no real need for you to keep like shifting 1 and 2. You can just stay in 1 and crawl. So like, where did you all drive for the test drive?
Oh, he just took it from his neighborhood estate in Tampines.
Isn't that like
City traffic, yes.
it's pretty much just 200 meters here traffic light, 200 meters here traffic light.
1 2 km traffic light. Come back. Wow, I tell you, he damn rusty. That's my concern also. I don't know whether he will.
I actually did store the swift on my test drive lah, but like that was in the car park, so probably forgivable.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's understandable because when I first got this car, I was also rusty. Yeah, but I just hope that doesn't put him off. You know?
Oh, okay.
Like for me, of course, it didn't because I wanted it. But for him, I could sense that the manual car wasn't.
Yeah,
Like,
so
the reason why he's looking at this is not because of
manual. It's just because it fits his budget and easy to drive lah. But manual is like, maybe he might give him pause, right?
yeah.
Thinking that
He's like, yeah, maybe I can live with it. Kind of thing.
maybe I can learn and adapt. Oh yeah, this is more fun than the GK Jazz. Even though GK Jazz is more powerful.
You know, I completely forgot how the driving.
Where did you learn?
SFTC.
SFTC, Honda City. Yeah. They also have some for sale, you know.
Yeah,
MCT Trader. How is it like to drive?
The city.
Yeah.
I really cannot remember already.
Oh, yeah, so long, right?
Yeah. Don't even remember how the shifter felt like. Oh, I mean, when you're learning, that isn't your first thing on your mind.
Yeah, you're not thinking like, oh yeah, this how pleasurable about 10 is this shifter.
Yeah, like, oh, I need to check blind spot.
Yeah, you're not thinking like, oh, this clutch is not precise enough, or like this is not a driver's car, too bad. Right.
So that's why when you say this shifter feels good, I don't really have a basis of comparison.
I just imagine like it's nowhere near as snickety as this. Like it doesn't go into the gears like as you wish. Yeah. Then or like you feel like this feels very plasticky, like it's some like toy like that. That's why I feel the GK Jazz is a bit like.
Yeah. Some descriptions online of bad manual transmission. They say it's like you're stirring porridge.
Gear, right? It's not like you are like okay in control, fine-tune control, anything. It's just like just goes into position like sort of martially, sloppily, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah, so it's not the greatest.
We're going back to the car, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then in front later you keep left.
And this CRV was here just now. Let's draw home.
The hill gives you a bit of a handicap. Hey, watch out, Mars. It's okay.
The signal, seriously.
Yeah. I mean, you get used to it, man.
Okay, but if I drove this car day to day, right, I will surely upgrade the horn because I need a more aggressive horn. Like for aggression purposes. Oh, this is nice. I could seriously imagine like, if you're on track and all this, you just go through the gears and it's great. Hope you don't mind me like revving a little bit more. Yeah. I mean just now lah, not now. Now it's like a hum and all that.
Yeah, it's fine.
3K lah, just keep it around 3K. Oh, is that the rattle you're talking about?
No. Wait, when you go over the hum, that moment.
No. That rattle is more like when the car is like in sort of lagging a little bit.
Oh,
Car rattle. Okay, let's see this thing, right? Nothing unusual, eh? So it's not about bumpy roads. Which one?
I have no idea.
The one that just now when I was the first thing I mentioned, or like over the grating, that kind of sound.
Over the hum just now.
Oh. That's more like drive shaft. I mean, yeah, something drive shaft thing.
I take you out and auto to drive the steering.
Yes, you can, but you have to get yourself into the seat.
Yeah, I noticed it was the buttons.
Yes. Thank you for the drive.
Oh, my
I shall return the favour now. Oh yeah, and this car is much easier to park. When a car with a longer wheelbase. Okay, you know what? I'm going to angle it a little bit. Okay, just for photos.